Okay, Joshua, this is for you, okay? I am trying to figure this out. I selected to add this, and it selected bot00 for a data source. What does that mean? Let's edit this and see what. Data. Let me look into that. Yeah. See, look here. Okay, it reloaded. I don't know where it's pulling its data from. Button text, general result, data. Is it going to glitch on me again? Please don't. See, what is this? Open Zapbots. Okay, I got to read through this really quick. Zapbots allow you to create prompts that take inputs. You generate open. Don't tell me this is another new feature I haven't been using that's built into this also. Oh my gosh, I just have to focus on you guys. That's all I can do with my time. Let's build a new one. Huh. I wonder, what's the back end for this guy? Is this ChatGPT? Add input. Add label for input. Business website. Website. Personal brand. No question. Personal brand. Let's add where this word. What is your brand? What is your company brand? I'm experimenting right now, ladies and gentlemen. I have no idea how this thing works. But this is how I learn. Business website, URL. What is your company brand? Who is your ICP? What is your ICP? What is your value prop? What problem do you solve for your audience? Something like this. There's actually a really cool thing I can do based off of something someone else gave me, and maybe I should do that later. I'm going to show this to you, Brad, because I think you're going to love it. Enter your logic here. Okay. Oh yeah, I have worked with this. It's been like 2 months though. I'm going to pause this for a minute. Determine the correlation between how the business website depicts the company value prop, ICP, brand, and brand. This against the individual answers for the company brand, ICP. Boom. Okay. That's that. Now, perform a. How do I swap? SWOT. This is just an example here. We could do something far better than this. A SWOT on and on the information provided by alpha. Okay, let's just leave it at that. I have no idea this is going to work. This is probably going to break something. It's probably not going to do anything I want it to do. Let's do the debt box. Uh, crypto supported by real world objects. Be forward thinking investors who want to be in on the future of blockchain. Blockchain has a fiduciary tool. Fiduciary. What is your value prop? Only ecosystem of crypto projects supported by real world revenues and royalties. We provide an alternative place to invest that is higher value, and safer than stocks and bonds. And you're like, you can't say that about crypto. And I'm like, no, I can't. But I'm sitting here saying, and here's as context now to answer it. Because the reality is, the crypto market's very unregulated. But if you have a secure ecosystem with an open source blockchain and you have the proper protocols in place, yes, it is far, far, far better than a stupid stock or a stupid debt thing. And anyways, I have to say caveat, I'm not blah, blah, blah. I'm not so-and-so person. None of my advice is professional. Whatever. Just you're not stupidly certified because the government wants to control every dang thing you do in your life. Let's test this. See if it breaks. Interesting. That tells me a lot. Kill it. Yes. This is not at all what I want it to do. Okay. Josh, is there a way for this to access the URLs? Or let's just save this, even though it's totally busted. Let's see what happens. Use it. Don't you dare break on me. Now let's do this. Now, wait a minute. I need to change this up. So let's do here. Let's do it. Let's try it. Let's see what it does here. Let's just share it. Uh-oh. This works. Oh, it didn't. Ideation, okay, idea generation is where we want us to go. Browser. Why did it have an error? All right, Josh, will you look at this really quick and tell me what you think? Because I'm trying to figure out how to use this with the URL feature. Sabina said it was active and how to use it. I'm like, I don't get it.